In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set every notification trigger in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your work and personal life, but to really get the most out of it, you will want to make sure that your notifications are set up just the way you like. The good news is that this is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to access your profile settings. Begin by clicking on your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually features your profile picture, making it easy to spot. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can adjust many of the personalized settings within Notion. Next, navigate to the Notifications section. This is a crucial step, as this section holds the keys to all your notification settings. It's important to ensure your notifications are set in a way that keeps you informed without overwhelming you, especially if you use Notion frequently, whether for personal projects or collaborative work. If you use Slack and would like to receive Notion notifications there, you'll want to turn on the Slack notification option. Simply find the Slack toggle switch and turn it on. This enables you to stay in the loop with your Notion workspace without having to switch between different applications constantly. Make sure Slack is integrated with Notion to receive these notifications smoothly. After you've set your Slack notifications, it's time to adjust your email notification settings. Go back to the main notifications area and select email notifications. This setting is particularly useful for catching up on updates when you're not actively using Notion. You'll see various options for email notifications you can receive. Carefully read through each and toggle on the ones that will be most beneficial to your workflow. This could include reminders about upcoming deadlines, comments from colleagues, or updates on collaborative pages. Finally, make sure you've toggled on any specific notifications you want to receive directly in-app. This might include changes to shared documents, mentions, or reminders. You might want to review each option to ensure you don't miss any essential updates or information. By following these steps, you'll have personalized your Notion notifications to perfectly fit your needs. Whether for work or personal projects, staying informed without unnecessary clutter is essential. This streamlined approach helps you manage your notifications